I heard on the radio that a young man had been burnt on the south side in a horrible accident.
I received a phone call and they just told me that I needed to get to the hospital.
It was quite a shock when we got to the hospital to find out what his chances of survival were, which were slim.
They asked us if we should let him live or not, and I said, what does Spencer want? And they said that he asked for a chance to fight.
April 24th, 2003 was the day I was hurt. I was a third generation flooring installer. I've been doing this job all my life. And at the day of my incident, I was just following orders. I was given a 5% chance to live. And I endured hell on earth.
I never realized what kind of strength, inner strength that boy had.
Yeah.
I've survived something most people fear the most. And because of that, today I have a story I promise you'll never forget. Along with my story, I'm going to tell you why I got hurt. And I'm not going to focus on any of the things my employer should have been doing. There's many things he should have been doing. Instead, I'm going to focus on all the things I should have been doing as the employee. The things I failed to do. We all contribute to our incidents in the exact same 6 ways. And that's why I'm so happy to be here today to share these 6 reasons with all of you, so that all of you stand a better chance of going home safe more than I ever did. 6 ways people get hurt. It's not rocket science. Because we're not being aware. It's called complacency. We don't take our time. We're rushing. We don't use our PPE. It's that not going to happen to me attitude, right? And I'm tough. I don't need it. And then the last one is we just fail to use all those other things, so we show other people, just by how we do things, our own actions, that safety is not important. Take a lot of pride in knowing what you teach those other guys is gonna stick. So why not teach them the right way the first time?
You know, you start to realize what's really important in life and what isn't.
The reason I do what I'm doing now is I have to give back. And I will give back every chance I have. I ask that people learn from it. And the reason I ask that is because it's the only way things will improve. And I never want to see it happen again.